Hi everyone, it's Margaret here with 60 and Me. I have a skincare secret that I want to share with you. Now, I am now 75 years old and I think I've done a pretty good job of keeping my skin in good shape over the years. Nothing magical. I do not spend a lot of money on skincare. I've never had any Botox or anything like that. And I just really wanted to share with you what I use. Now, I have casually mentioned this every time I do a makeup video. My prep is Growing Younger Gracefully facial serum, but people often ask me, what exactly is that? And tell me the story of why you started using it and how long, and because the results you've got. Now, I met a person in Bali about 6 years ago. Her name was Sheena Sarles, and she was doing a workshop at the Yoga Barn in Bali, in Ubud, and she handed out little samples of a facial serum that she was working on, and it was called Growing Younger Gracefully. I'll show it to you. This is the little bottle, Growing Younger Gracefully. And we all went around the room and put it on our faces, and it was really lovely scent, and I thought, I am going to like that. So I actually took one of these home with me and started using it. That was about 6 years ago, and I have used it consistently, repeatedly, for that length of time.